Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening SQL Server Management Studio and connecting to the database engine. You must have credentials and a reachable server name or local instance, otherwise the rest won't work. Once connected, pause to expand the instance in Object Explorer so you can see databases and security. Make sure you're using the correct authentication mode, Windows versus SQL, because that controls permissions. Now you're ready to create a new database object. Right-click Databases to begin the creation wizard. Once you open New Database, enter a meaningful name and assign an owner if different from you. This ensures proper permissions. Then configure file settings, set initial sizes for MDF and LDF and sensible auto-growth increments so files won't fragment. Pick file paths on appropriate storage. Next, adjust options like recovery model and collation based on backup and internationalization needs. Make sure compatibility level matches your application's SQL Server version, so click OK to create the database and then refresh Object Explorer to confirm it appears. You should immediately create essential schemas and a minimum test table and run select/insert queries to validate that connections and file paths are correct. Once validated, perform an initial full backup and set up a backup schedule and maintenance jobs. If creation fails, check permission errors, disk space, and file path access first. These are the most common problems and usually resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.